In the last 6 years, I've used every single supplier out there, but you as a beginner are bombarded constantly with content around this supplier to use or this supplier to use or that supplier to use. Frankly, it's exhausting. What if I told you these so-called suppliers aren't actually suppliers? They're just glorified middlemen who jack up prices for their own profit. Over the years, this has cost me tons and tons of money. What if there was a supplier that was actually manufacturing your product and fulfilling your orders for you? Now, this solution changed everything, and nobody is even talking about this. With the right product choice, this can literally save you thousands of dollars. It's BS dropshipping. So let me show you exactly how BS dropshipping works and how you can start using it today. So here are some of the benefits of working with BS dropshipping. So number one, they do private labeling with no MOQ. So what that means is typically if you want to get any private labeling, you have to order a certain amount of product in order to get your branding on that product. With BS dropshipping, you don't even have to order a certain amount to get your logo on your product or on the packaging. They do a private labeling service where they're actually going to put your branding on your product or your packaging with no MOQ. And the reason why they can do this is because they have machines for all different types of products. They can literally print out your branding onto your product, which is amazing. And nobody else does this. The next thing is they actually do custom product images. So let's say you're selling an untapped product that nobody else is selling. There's no product images on it. There's nothing on it. Instead of you going and setting up a studio or paying for a studio locally, you get BS dropshipping to literally take the photos for your product, for your ads, for your creatives, for your website, whatever you need it for. So that's very different from typical dropshipping fulfillment teams that literally don't do anything like this. The next thing is they actually have a real office in China where they're doing all the fulfillment. I've actually seen it personally myself because I've talked to the owner of this fulfillment team, and it's crazy how developed they are. It's very advanced and developed compared to any other type of fulfillment, which I was literally surprised by. One of the most common issues I have is customers complaining to me saying, hey, my product's coming from China. What? Like what? Oh my goodness, refund me my money. I don't want it coming from China. With clever tracking, they're not going to see China anywhere. It's literally just going to show up as a regular tracking page, and this is going to help you a lot to not have customers that are upset or have any disputes. You're trying to run a successful business. This is literally a game changer. And when I heard they do this, I immediately left my past supplier and I'm working with them because this is crazy. They have literally the fastest fulfillment. Imagine getting your product shipped to your customer within 8 to 12 days. That is crazy. In 8 to 12 days, your customer will get the product in hand and they'll be very, very happy. As well, as I showed you earlier, they have 24-hour support. You can raise a ticket and they'll answer your ticket within 24 hours. So any problems you have, they're going to help you make sure that problem is solved. They're very trustworthy. As you can see, they're very honest with their pricing, any increases in pricing, what the product is going to cost you, how long it's going to take for it to be fulfilled and get to the customer. They're very transparent, and that's what's important when you're working with a fulfillment team. Because I've had problems with other fulfillment teams in the past. Is another thing that's really important is they speak English, so any communication is literally perfect. So this is BS dropshipping, and as you can see, you have these tabs on the left side: dashboard, quotation, sourcing and branding, order, billing, product warehouse, and then some organization information like store management, affiliates, roles, accounts, check shipping fees. So you have all of this on the side here that you're going to use to run your entire backend of your fulfillment. So number one, dashboard. This is just any new orders coming in, pending payments that you haven't paid for your orders, processing orders, and any support tickets. This is all here as like a funnel just to make sure that everything is running smoothly for you. They constantly send announcements like literally every day, just letting you know any updates on pricing and all that, just so you're always informed, which I really do like. So this is how you're going to source your product and get a quote for the product you're trying to sell with BS dropshipping. So first of all, you want to select the store you're using because you could have multiple stores. So here's the store. And then you can see all the products I have on the store right now. Then basically you can see I already have 2 products here that I already have quotes for. So let's say, for example, for this product, I want to get a quote. So all I do is click ask quote, and then it says prompt successful, right? And then eventually I'm going to get a quote in 24 to 48 hours based on how much it's going to cost to be shipped to any country in the world. Then you will click view quote here, and it'll actually show you. You can see here right now it says status with a time clock, which means it's loading, and eventually there will be a quote there in literally 24 hours. You can see here I already got a quote. So you can see there's a check mark. I'm going to click check price, and this is where you're actually going to see the product cost. You can see where it's shipping from China, and then to whichever country you want, right? You can see, let's see France, for example, it's saying 6 to 10 days, $7.92, 3 to 5 days, $13.41. Okay. So this is awesome because it builds transparency, and look how easy that was for me to get a quote and see how much it's going to cost for every single country without having to ask the supplier directly. Everything's already here for you. And then if we go here, we can add some branding on it. So you can actually go and add your logo, wish card, shipping, packaging, product packaging, other, anything you want like that, right? So you can see here with BS, you can easily create your own brand by printing your logo, choosing your packaging, and choosing your wish card and customizing your product packages, which is super great because it increases customer loyalty and recurring order rates. Okay, so at the end of the day, this is what you want to do when you're trying to grow a brand. As well, all your quotes will be here, so you can go through all the quotes you've made. And then if we go here to sourcing and branding, then you also have BS products. So as you can see here, they offer all these different services, like for example, one picture photography service. So they can actually take photos of your product. You don't even need to order the product and get in hand. You can get custom images through their team for literally just $10. And you can also get a laser print logo on your product. So just for a little extra, you can get a laser printed on your product to create that branding level of brandness. Then anything you bookmarked. And then packaging, you can add your logo here and add it to all of your product packaging, so which is awesome. Then under orders here, this is where all your orders will come up. You can see like the store name, order number, did you pay it? Where's it getting shipped to? What's the fee, right? Just so you can keep everything up to standards and understand what's going around your business. You can also like add an invoice so you can see the invoice and all that information just for any bookkeeping purposes, which is awesome. And then obviously once you're making more sales, you have way more orders than this. This is just a test account just to show you how it works. Then billing, you can see here. So this is where you'll add money to your account to pay for any product costs, shipping costs. You can just simply add money and then you're able to just bank transfer money to this account and then pay for any of the fulfillment. So let's say you're scaling and you want to make more profit. So obviously if you order bulk, then obviously your product costs will be cheaper. So you can also do this where you have your products in their warehouse where they can ship it out for you. And what that does for you is it creates a better profit margin for you. As well, it makes the processing time way faster for you. So a lot of people who are scaling and growing brands like myself are actually benefiting by this if you want to build a reliable brand. Then you have your store management. So, any stores that you have, you can add multiple stores to this for the fulfillment. Then any affiliates. So if you have a friend or someone that you want to use BS dropshipping, you can also connect them here. Then roles is actually an awesome option, especially if you have like a VA who's like fulfilling your orders for you or doing any customer support. They can have access to all your orders to see everything, to see the tracking on it, to make sure it's going up to date and everything is getting done smoothly. Then you can also get a quote for like the shipping fees, see how much like something weighs, length, width, height, and then for what country. And you can see, how much it's going to cost, what's the estimated delivery time. So basically what I like about BS dropshipping is everything is so accurate, everything's straight to the point, and they're not trying to hide anything from you. Everything is right there for you. If you're watching this and you want to take action and you see the possibilities with this business model, remember, if you start this journey solo, there's going to be a lot of roadblocks that you have to get around. If you want me to be personally invested in your success, then keep listening because I have a few spots left in my one-on-one mentorship program. I will be there with you step by step along the way, from picking your product, building your entire brand around this product, making content around your product for creatives, and as well, fulfilling all your orders for you. A complete done-for-you service. And when all that is said and done, I will help guide you step by step from how to run the entire business to how to launch the ads, how to manage the ads, and how to even scale those ads. So if you're looking for some one-on-one support and you finally want to make dropshipping work for you, then click the first link in my description and book a one-on-one call with me. This is where I'll see if you're going to be a good fit for the one-on-one mentorship program. If we're certain that we can help you reach your goals, then we'll offer you a spot in the program. So that's everything for today. If you want to fulfill your orders, use BS Dropshipping. It's the best fulfillment service you can possibly use. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.